I've always loved about the robotic space is not really the technology for robots, it's the opportunity it creates for people. With robots and with automation, it really allows us to think differently about the future of work and change what it means to work in a warehouse environment. So rather than spending time walking up and down aisles, picking items off shelves, you can have a human worker who is managing a fleet of robots. It's much more technology driven, it's much more exciting. It appeals to the number one thing that we see millennials are interested in doing with their careers, which is STEM related jobs. So robots allow us to advance the technology of robots, but what robots are really allowing us to do is to change what we as people do every day when we go to work. And I think that's one of the things that's most exciting for me.